make a paper mache pinata?
Well, we are here today to teach you.
You have to wait to the end of the video to see what we're making. I'm Molly.
I'm Caroline.
And I'm Gio. Caroline and I are going to show you the first step.
Then Gio will show you the second step.
Painting it and turning it into a mystery state.
Let's get started!
First, you make a glue paste.
First, we pour a white cup of glue into the bowl.
Side down. Then pour in 1 cup of water.
And we mix it.
Stir until the glue and water are mixed together.
Take strips of newspaper.
Put it in the mixture.
Then we pull it through our fingers and put it on the balloons. Dry, Gio, so you have to paint it. Then we finally get to see what we're making.
This is so exciting!
Bye-bye!
Step 2, we have to paint it and turn it into the shape. But first, I have to put my input on. You're going to put it from all the way around. Now we let it dry. Now we paint it. We're going to turn it into the shape and put the face, arms, and legs on. Ta-da! It's Bigfoot. Step 3.
Then we fill with candy.
Then we bust it open.
No, I want to keep it.
I hope you had fun.
Making a Bigfoot pinata.